I'm going to use FPS mode or style of filming. It's first person shooting. First time this year I eventually got chance to do fishing, 2019.
Wow! Jesus Christ! Yes, this one is bigger. I hope I'm not going to lose it. Hope. Thanks God it's not deep. I don't know if I can do anything here without falling in water. Хрен я сломаю. Oh, this is a nice trout right under the shore. If it recovers, I'll let it swim. If it doesn't, I take it. I definitely could catch more trout, but I don't want to kill another one because I'm releasing fish. Just today, the trout swallowed this lure, and I have enough for today. I said enough with trout, but I never said enough with pike. I fitted just in case a hook to the camera, just in case, because pike can grab the camera. Oh, shoot! That's what they're doing now. You can see. Look, 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 look. I get the camera with the zoom.